Welcome back to another video. As you see in my last video, we took the steering wheel off the car to retrim it. So that is what this video is going to be about. So we're going to turn this hopefully into something better. And we have this kit here to do it with. Let's hit the intro. So let's see what you actually get in the box. So you get a little sticker with some sort of instructions and the YouTube channel where you can watch them how they do it. So we'll definitely be having that playing while we're doing this. Obviously the actual cover itself. This is like some sort of double-sided sticky tape, probably just to hold it in place. We'll find out as we go along, I reckon, when we start watching the video. Some thread and a needle. Another thread and needle. And obviously this is to help probably push the material under the bits that you need to actually on the steering wheel. But I have got some other bits, like some other trim tools that I might use as well, which I'll show you. So I got all these trim tools as well, which I use with the car on interior bits. So maybe something like that I might need to use, or something like that. But we have got all the tools on the ready to see if we can make this thing work. So first things first, we'll just give this a little wipe down, just to take off any grease or anything like that off it. So at the moment, alcohol gel, hand sanitizer, you can get it anywhere at the moment. So I'm just going to use a bit of that on a microfiber, just to give it all a good wipe down and clean. Right, so it says on the video you don't need to remove the steering wheel, but I removed it because I think it's going to be a lot easier. Right, so let's get all these bits off here that I've put on. I think I might have gone a little bit overkill with all this, but as I said, I can always remove it if it becomes a bit of a pain. So this is supposed to come with some stickers with a front and the back, but mine actually hasn't come with any stickers at all, but it looks like that sort of shape. Let me just rewind that back. So that's the front. And that's the back. Right, so what I've learned so far is off with the sticky bits. So that's what I've got so far around that bit there. It's not looking too bad. It's definitely taken a lot longer than what they say it's going to take. So I need to finish off that side and then start on the other bit. So the steering wheel's complete and utter disaster, and now I'm going to show you why. So this is as far as I've got at the moment, and I've pretty much given up now because it's just never going to fit. I've managed to get that bit as tight as I can, and you can still see it's not touching in places. And that took 2 pairs of hands, one to try and stretch it round as much as it can go, and while the other one tried to sew. But it just honestly just does not fit. I mean, I'll show you what it was like before. If you see the gap there, you're supposed to try and get those to touch. It's just too small for the wheel. It's just never gonna close up. And then I decided to give up because when I got back round to the gear shifters, I even cut that bit there just to see if I could get it round it. So I can get it round the gear shifter, but then you've got to try and get these bits under there and the top one under there. It's just not going to fit. You ideally would probably want to take the existing leather all off to be able to actually get this to fit, because the wheel's just too thick for this cover. And to be honest with you, it feels like it's going to break my steering wheel. It's too much pressure. It's like all of these bits feel like they're going to fall off. So I'm pretty much going to give up on that, and I'm going to source a company to actually retreat it properly. So my verdict basically on this is just don't bother. I mean, I've tried it, so you don't have to. They made it look really easy on the internet of doing it, but trust me, it's nothing like that. You've got over 10mm to stretch it around, and it just won't work. So a heads up, you might be able to do a better job than me, but personally, I've given up on this. It says it's an easy DIY thing to do on their website, but it's not. So that's all I've got to say on it really. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.